Okay, here we have a 52-inch Monte Carlo Homeowners Max ceiling fan. This is a very basic fan, nothing too special about it. The light kit, everything on it is original. And I didn't buy this fan, this is one that came with the house when I bought it. So I'll go ahead and turn it on, start out with the light. And now we'll do the fan, start up with high speed. Now we'll go ahead and go to medium. I don't know if you can hear it, but the brackets are kind of wobbling a little bit at the canopy. Now we'll go ahead and go to low. And we'll go ahead and turn it off. So that about ends this video. Thanks for watching.